In this video by ABN Painting, we are working on a pool deck and the patio next to it, and we start our preparation work with pressure washing. Then we disperse TSP and scrub the deck. After scrubbing, we use pressure washer again to get rid of any chemicals left on the surface of the deck. This pool deck has a lot of cracks, and before we start painting, we are going to repair those cracks. We are using a putty knife to apply the repair material, and then we give it approximately 10 to 15 minutes to dry, and with a wet sponge we'll get rid of any excessive material and blend in the repaired area with the rest of the deck. On this pool deck there are a couple of expansion joint caps that need to be replaced, and we're going to replace the ones that are broken. We are cutting the concrete on both sides of expansion joint, so there is enough space for the new expansion joint cap to go in. After we cut the replacement joint cap to the length that we need, we are going to install it first without any glue to see if it fits okay. After we made sure it fits well, we apply adhesive to the inner part of the new cap. We are going to apply a little bit of glue on top of the old cap as well, just to make sure that the new cap adheres properly. Then we put the new cap on top of the old one, pressing on it firmly. Now we are finished with the repairs, and before applying the paint, we are going to use the leaf blower. Then we start with the brushwork, painting all the edges. After we're done working with the brush, we are using the roller to paint the remaining area. After the first coat of paint had enough time to dry, we apply the second coat. and this is before and after.